These are high-quality JESUNI Vietnam products for Taiwan market. G.O.C. Pickle gherkins.
G.O.C. factory in northern Vietnam major in fresh-packed pickles. G.O.C. export 4,500 containers per year to major food chains in USA, Europe, Japan, Korea, and Israel. Curcuminoids and nano curcumin developed by Vietnam National Bioscience cooperated with the European.
Vietnam is one of the biggest turmeric producer in the world.
The purity of curcuminoids extraction is up to 98%, which meet USP UPJP pharmaceutical standards. DonYang Vina GAC oil extraction contains full of carotene, lycopene, omega-6 and 9. GAC is a magic fruit from Vietnam for human beings. NestArt is a well-branded FDA-assured bird nest from Vietnam.
The instant pack is the best gift for young executives. Please contact JESUNIBIO for further details.